Number 1. 1957 Harley-Davidson Hummer, $2,500, Bristol, Wisconsin. The 1957 Harley-Davidson Hummer is a lightweight classic that reflects Harley-Davidson's post-war approach to simple, economical transportation. Powered by a 165cc single-cylinder engine, the Hummer became known for its straightforward design, easy maintenance, and dependable performance. Surviving examples are increasingly difficult to find, making them especially appealing to collectors of vintage Harley motorcycles. The seller describes this Hummer as mostly complete, with compression, working brakes, a recently cleaned carburetor, and a new old-stock air filter. It will need a battery and additional mechanical attention before returning to the road, and is being sold with a bill of sale rather than a title. For enthusiasts seeking a rare and affordable Harley restoration project, this Hummer offers plenty of vintage appeal. Number 2. 1985 BMW K1200 with sidecar, $2,800, McKees Rocks, Pennsylvania. This 1985 BMW sidecar outfit combines classic touring character with the unique practicality that has made BMW motorcycles popular for decades. Featuring a leading link front suspension and a matching sidecar, it offers a distinctive package that continues to attract vintage touring enthusiasts. According to the seller, the motorcycle has a clear Pennsylvania title and includes numerous spare parts such as an engine, frame, wheels, luggage, and body components. New swing arm bearings and a new master cylinder have also been installed, while the sidecar features a carpeted interior and rear storage compartment. For buyers looking for a unique vintage touring setup with valuable extras, this BMW presents an appealing opportunity. Number 3. 1982 Honda CX500 Turbo, $6,500, Big Stone Gap, Virginia. The 1982 Honda CX500 Turbo remains one of the most innovative motorcycles of its era, showcasing Honda's early turbocharged technology. Produced in limited numbers, it combined fuel injection, liquid cooling, and advanced engineering that helped make it an instant classic. Today, the CX500 Turbo is highly regarded among collectors of vintage Japanese motorcycles. The seller reports that this example runs and rides well and comes with a clean title. With only about 5,000 units originally produced, it remains a rare motorcycle that continues to attract attention wherever it goes. For enthusiasts seeking one of Honda's most distinctive classics, this CX500 Turbo is a very desirable find. Number 4. 1989 Moto Guzzi Mille GT, $4,600, Johnstown, Ohio. The 1989 Moto Guzzi Mille GT showcases the legendary Tanti frame design that helped establish Moto Guzzi's reputation for stable handling and comfortable touring. Combined with the brand's signature transverse V-twin engine, the Mille GT continues to be appreciated by riders who enjoy classic Italian motorcycles with timeless character. The seller describes this example as a clean, mostly original motorcycle that runs strong and has current maintenance. It also features brand new tires and only minor cosmetic wear consistent with its age. For buyers looking for a well-preserved Italian classic that's ready to enjoy, this Mille GT is an attractive option. Number 5. 1978 Yamaha XS650, $2,000, Davison, Michigan. The 1978 Yamaha XS650 remains one of Yamaha's most respected parallel twin motorcycles, blending classic styling with dependable Japanese engineering. Its simple design, enjoyable performance, and strong aftermarket support have made it a longtime favorite among collectors, restorers, and custom builders. According to the seller, this example retains its original paint and decals while receiving new tires, chain, sprockets, seat cover, master cylinder, and a tri-spark electronic ignition. The lights and turn signals reportedly work properly, and the sale also includes an untitled parts bike for added value. For enthusiasts searching for an affordable XS650 with solid potential, this package offers an excellent opportunity. Number 6. 1973 Triumph Bonneville 750, $5,500, Sandusky, Ohio. The 1973 Triumph Bonneville 750 is one of Britain's most iconic motorcycles, celebrated for its parallel twin engine, timeless styling, and strong connection to classic motorcycling history. Long admired by collectors and riders alike, the Bonneville remains a symbol of vintage British performance and character. The seller reports that this matching numbers example starts on the first or second kick, runs well as a dependable daily rider, and comes with a clear title. For enthusiasts looking for an authentic, classic Bonneville that's ready to enjoy, this motorcycle presents a very appealing opportunity. Number 7. 1982 Suzuki GS650 GL, $3,400, Lake St. Louis, Missouri. The 1982 Suzuki GS650 GL represents Suzuki's dependable approach to middleweight touring motorcycles during the early 1980s. Known for its smooth inline four-engine, comfortable riding position, and long-lasting reliability, the GS series continues to be appreciated by vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this two-owner motorcycle has just 3,600 miles and was originally owned by a Suzuki dealer who used it as a personal show bike. It reportedly starts easily even after storage and has only minor cosmetic blemishes. For buyers searching for a well-preserved classic Suzuki, this GS650 GL offers an attractive combination of originality and low mileage. Number 8. 1973 BMW R60/5, $4,000, Fort Wayne, Indiana. The 1973 BMW R60/5 is a classic boxer twin known for its smooth performance, dependable engineering, and distinctive styling. The 5 Series helped establish BMW as a leader in premium touring motorcycles and remains a favorite among riders who appreciate vintage European craftsmanship. The seller describes this customized example as having fresh paint, re-chromed components, new chrome spokes, rebuilt suspension, new Mikuni carburetors, and a refreshed engine with less than 500 miles since restoration. Original Bing carburetors are also included. For enthusiasts seeking a tastefully customized BMW with extensive mechanical updates, this R60/5 offers plenty of classic appeal. Number 9. 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster Chopper, $5,500, Vandalia, Illinois. The 1971 Harley-Davidson Sportster captures the spirit of the early custom chopper era, when personalized builds became an important part of American motorcycle culture. With its classic V-twin engine and unmistakable Harley character, the Sportster remains a favorite platform for custom enthusiasts. The seller describes this hard-tailed chopper as featuring a Springer front end, king and queen seat, and a ready-to-ride setup that starts, runs, and drives. A title is included with the sale. For buyers looking for a vintage Harley custom with classic chopper style, this Sportster is sure to stand out. Number 10. 1989 Kawasaki LTD 550, $900, Oak Creek, Wisconsin. The 1989 Kawasaki LTD 550 offered riders a comfortable cruiser-inspired design, paired with the dependable performance Kawasaki was known for during the 1980s. Its straightforward engineering and approachable riding manners continue to make the LTD series an affordable entry into vintage Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this motorcycle was running when purchased in 2022, but has been parked since the ignition lock cylinder seized and is currently not running. The sale also includes a helmet and a box of assorted parts. For enthusiasts looking for an inexpensive restoration project with classic Kawasaki styling, this LTD 550 offers solid potential. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Let us know which motorcycle was your favorite, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.